Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of the Blue Bay by the Aura Land Developers located in Karjat. It's located in one of the most premium locations of Karjat, just 2 to 3 minutes away from the Karjat station. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location right now. Here is the sales office. And you may also have a look at the land parcel which is right in front of me. So this entire thing that you see right now is going to be the land parcel. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of what Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 60 acres. Yes, you heard it right. It will be constructed on a land parcel of 60 acres, which will be having 325 NA plots. As you can see, I'm standing right in front of the actual land parcel. From here, you can see the entire land parcel. Just see the greenery and how big the land parcel is going to be. That tower right there you see in the front, it's going to start from behind that, the construction work. And then this entire thing is going to be your actual land parcel with this amazing greenery view. So you're going to be getting 360-degree greenery view in this project. Talking about connectivity, as you can see, I'm standing at the main gate of the project. Right here is the actual land parcel behind me, and right here is the main road. As you can see, you may have a look at the neighborhood also. This side will lead you to Karjat station and this side will lead you to Panvel highway. Talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located bang on highway with International Airport, Navi Mumbai International Airport at a distance of just 35 minutes. We have Karjat Chowk at a distance of 10 minutes. We have Karjat Station at a distance of 3 to 5 minutes. We have Salt Restaurants at a distance of 5 minutes and ND Studio at a distance of 7 minutes. So as you can see, it's a well-connected project. Talking about amenities, this project has 60 plus ultra luxurious amenities, which includes an 1.5 acres of artificial man-made beach. It also has an 35,000 square feet of clubhouse, kids play area, swimming pool, jogging track, walking track, meditation center, yoga center, you name it and we have it. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you've booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any construction or leakage related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very easy to understand and basic language in this series. So before booking your home next time, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Now let's talk about the plot size. This project has different dimensions. So one of the smallest project, the smallest plot size is going to be 1500 square feet. We also have 1900 square feet. We also have 2400 and the 3500 square feet of plot. So we have a lot more other dimensions also available, but these are the 4 highlights that I've mentioned right now. Talking about the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also show you the sample plot if available. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI amount. The EOI amount is going to be 99,000 rupees. And they also have a very flexible payment plan, which is 25, 25, 50. Now talking about the possession of this very amazing property, so it's going to be December 2027. So everyone, this was the teaser of Blue Bay by Aura Land Developers located in Karjat. To get more information about this amazing property coming up, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.